Hello, before we begin the tutorial, there's been some changes to the interface of Figma. So I need to go over a couple of preliminary items, just so you're clear. It's not so significant that I felt like I should hurriedly recreate the tutorial, but a couple of notes. One is they have changed the location of their toolbar. It used to be up here, so in the tutorial I'm frequently clicking up here, and you will be clicking down here. Second item of business is the create component. There used to be a create component button in the main menu. It's now reserved here in the properties bar here. If you look, I've got a frame selected, and this is the create component button. It's also available in the main menu. There's also a shortcut that you probably should learn, but it's here. It's no longer in the toolbar, which used to be up here. Okay, so we'll click that. The last bit, it's changed the properties settings. In the tutorial, in the older version, you would click the item, and then there would be some variable setups here. It seems like they have centralized their properties into a central location that's associated not with the objects but the frame. So for this procedure, I'm going to click the frame. I'm going to add my property here using the property. So I'm going to create a text property. I'm going to name this title here. So I'm going to create that property. It's currently not associated with this yet, so I've got to tie those two things together. So now I'm going to click on that typography and tie it here. So now that I have a property, I'm going to tie that to the title property here. Okay. So those are the three primary changes: toolbar, the make a component button, and how you establish a property within a component. We'll be doing this in the lab, so I'll help you with that as well. Carry on.